Hi, I'm your host, Mike J, and I'm here to summarize the LeaderW RE 1.0 video series. There's an old saying in speaking circles which reminds you of how to construct a proper speech. It goes like this: tell people what you will tell them, then tell them what you told them. So here we go. Let's see how I've done with our approach at LeaderW RE to postmodern development in a VUCA world. We are surrounded by solution-resistant problems because at each level of complexity, solving problems creates new problems. So we evoke system dynamics to help us map cause and effect across layers and dimensions of complexity, vertical, oblique, lateral, and time, or what we call developmental space-time. Yet we are not a bunch of calculating robots, so value dynamics must be woven into the games we play, or people don't have lives. Each of us plays different roles, so role dynamics are important in LeaderW RE. These roles must be dimensionalized. We look at roles in 4 dimensions: vertical, oblique, and lateral complexity with respect to time. A critically important way to understand that you may need to elevate your leadership. I also told you the linchpin to the whole process at LeaderW RE is style dynamics. Remember why. Leader style is the process by which we act out our intentions among and with others to create climate and results. Yet we can't act without bias dynamics, creating effects which most of us are unaware of, that what we do as subjectivity to our own bias. And how do we get to the object side of subjectivity? Through capability dynamics in its 8 facets of perspective, ego position, subjectivity, languaging, task performance, affect, talent, and sense making. The main thing in LeaderW RE is self-knowledge. Yes, self-awareness is what everyone wants. But focusing on developing self-knowledge will allow whatever self-awareness inborn in us will emerge indirectly anyway, so let's not push the string, so to speak. Emergence is not something we can push, but only understand through a rear view mirror anyway. The key I've found in almost 3 decades of coaching is to create a toolkit which our motivation and volition intersect, and we need tools, not just goals. Besides, goals in a VUCA world are less important than understanding how systems work anyway, right? And of course, we are after right action, which varies condition by condition anyway. Right people doing right things in right ways, at right times, in right spaces, for right reasons, emerging right results, which may be as much unintended as intended. What do you think? Did I get it all in there from memory? Does it feel like I've touched on all the major points? After a decade of working on LeaderW RE, it becomes second nature for me, and with our program coming up, I can help you make it part of your leader development in this coming year as well. If you would like to review the other 15 videos, they are listed in your member area. Whether you need rudder work or just time and tools to tweak your trim tab, making a bold commitment with LeaderW RE will put wind in your sails. I'm Mike J, and thanks for your precious time and attention. Let's get started by registering now.